Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a graph in Google Sheets. So the first step is to simply click on insert, and then here we're gonna have this option which is chart. So we can simply click on that, and as you can see we can choose the chart type. So here we have line, area, column, bar, pie, scatter, map, and many more. So we can simply pick any of these, like this one here, and then we're gonna have the option to choose the data range. So I'm gonna pick this one here. So let's pick F9, and then we're gonna have to pick this one too and click on OK. And here basically we're gonna have our graph, and we can simply change this if we want. And basically that's how you can make a graph. And basically that's it for today's video. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.